The 9 headlines at 9 tonight. There's a mixed response to Bharat Bandh called by farmers' bodies. Rail and road traffic disrupted in parts of North India. Police protesters clash in Noida, Bengaluru and Patna. Traffic disrupted in several parts of the country. Scary escalation in Bengal's high-stake Bhabanipur by-election battle as Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee faces a crucial test. Guns whipped out by Dilip Ghosh, BJP leader's security after he's heckled by goons on the last day of campaigning. Trinamool Congress is being blamed. TMC set to enter Goa's the political arena as former Chief Minister and Congress MLA Luisdin Falero indicates he is joining the party after quitting the Congress. Falero says Goa needs street fighters like Mamata. RSS criticizes Amazon, calls them an East India Company 2.0 in its mouthpiece. Sangh alleges firm paid bribe for favorable policies. It's the second attack on a foreign firm. PM Modi launches Ayushman Bharat digital mission. Every citizen to get a unique digital ID under this scheme, which will have all their health records. The Prime Minister says it's part of the government's commitment to digitizing India. High-tech chappal cheaters caught during a REIT exam in Rajasthan cities. Slippers worth lakhs with Bluetooth devices used for malpractices in the entrance exams. Akash Prime, the new version of the Akash missile, successfully test-fired. Indigenous weapon system now better equipped and more maneuverable in higher altitudes. US President Joe Biden takes a COVID vaccine booster shot. Biden encourages people to get one amidst confusion and concerns raised by experts. And Angela Merkel's 16-year rule ends in Germany as rival Social Democrats win the elections. New German government says strong ties with India to continue.